Well, hello there! Welcome back to my channel. So I have a really super quick video for you guys today. It's a video that I feel like will benefit everybody because it is all about how to wash your makeup brushes. That is the age-old question because there are so many ways to do it, but is it really getting your brushes clean? Is it really disinfecting it? Is it using a lot of chemicals, or is it more of a natural way to do it? In this video, I will show you how I do my makeup brushes, how I deep clean my makeup brushes, and I only use one product. The only product I use is this bottle of Castile soap right here. I think I'm saying that right, Castile, I'm not exactly sure. But this is the 18-in-1 hemp almond pure Castile soap. And it is certified fair trade, made with organic oils, so it has all these different oils: coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, all that stuff. So what it is basically the most natural soap that you can get. And since it has all the oils in it already, you don't have to add anything else to your cleaning solution for your makeup brushes. And I really only use a tiny bit, as you will see in the video. I think I bought this 2 years ago and it has lasted me so long. I'm only at this point right here. It's especially really good if you're a makeup artist. It'll really deep clean your brushes. It'll smell really good. They have different scents. This one is the sweet almond, as I have said. And I really enjoy that scent. It's just fresh and light and sweet, and my clients say my brushes smell really good. You know, can you really get any better than that? Not really. This is a bottle that I got at Target, and I think it was maybe $12 to $14, but hello, you're getting a huge bottle. 32 fluid ounces. I mean, it's gigantic. And like I said, you only need a little bit. I'm going to clean my makeup brushes and you guys are gonna come along and hopefully it'll work out. It's really hard to film in your bathroom, film a sink, so I apologize ahead of time, but you'll get the gist of it. I show you how to clean my brushes and my beauty blender. I hope this is helpful for you guys. If it is, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, become part of the Lustrous Beauty community. I would love to have you. So let's get to the brush washing, which is something we always love, right? So to get started, all you need is a small bowl. This is just like a little bowl that I had laying around. And then you take your Castile soap. I just use a tiny bit. I pour it in here. Probably just cover the bottom of it like that. I'm going to take one of my dirty brushes. Let's take my MAC 217 brush. It's pretty dirty. First, you run it underwater to get it a little saturated with water. I dip my brush into the soap, making sure it's pretty saturated with the soap. And as you can see, some of the pigment already came off into it. My hand wet first, and then I go like this around my hand. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have color pigment coming off in my hand. And I just gently swirl it around. And once I think it's pretty well saturated, then you take it again under the water and you rinse it off. So then I just kind of carefully squeeze out the excess, make sure all the soap is out. You might have to do it under the water a little bit more to make sure that all the soap is out. As you can see, all the pigment is out of the brush. It is nice and squeaky clean. It smells really nice, like the sweet almond oil. And then what I just do is I lay it out to dry. So I just take a towel, just any old towel, and you lay it out to dry. Since you are using water, it will take a while for it to dry. It's not an instant thing, but this is what I do to deep clean my brushes, and seriously, all the stuff comes out of it. I also want to show you guys how I clean my beauty blender using this same method. So right now it is wet. I'm gonna wet it a little bit more. So this is how dirty my beauty blender is. You can see all the stains, all the like foundation and stuff on it. And I am going to dip it into my bowl and make sure it is saturated. This is like my favorite word in this video, saturated. And then I wet it under the water. And this might take a while because you have to kind of massage it in and squeeze out all the stuff. I don't know if you guys can tell in the sink, there is some nasty stuff coming out. I do have a few extra spots that take a little bit more to get out. Then I just add a little bit more soap directly on the area that is stained and massage it in. The whole thing you have to remember is that you just have to massage it in and squeeze out this other stuff. You can tell on my hand I have a little bit of that foundation stuff still on it from when it's coming out of the beauty blender. It just takes some patience with this, but it gets all of the stuff out, and I feel like everything is disinfected, it's clean, it smells good. I just totally think just buying a huge jug of this is so much easier than all the other methods out there, and it gets everything so clean. Then I just squeeze out the excess, dry it off on a towel a little bit. Here is the beauty blender, freshly clean. It is just really nice and squeaky clean. As you can see, everything is pretty much gone. There might be a little bit of staining, but for the most part, it is very clean, and you can feel like you got rid of all of that nasty product in there and everything. That's how I use the Castile soap to clean my beauty blender and my other brushes. And so I'm gonna do all the rest of these. That's pretty much it.